From coconuts to cleansing bars, this is how Lux soap is made. The process starts with fresh coconuts crashing onto the conveyor. They become a molten mixture transformed in these massive mixers. Automated graders inspect coconuts for size and quality before entering how Lux soap is made from coconuts mega factory process. Coconuts are unloaded and transferred to sorting conveyors. The coconuts are then mechanically sorted by size and quality. Open fresh coconuts.
First, we split the shell to get to the meat. The white meat goes onto the conveyor.
This raw material is the base for Lux soap. In this mega factory, Lux soap is made from coconuts. First, coconuts are shredded and pressed to extract oil. The oil is mixed with lye and molded into bars. A hardness test ensures each bar is durable. In this mega factory, mechanical screw presses extract crude coconut oil from dried copra. This oil is a key ingredient in the production of how Lux soap. Welcome to the mega factory process, where we transform raw coconuts into Lux soap. The process begins with industrial shredders grinding coconut meat into for oil extraction, a key step in soap making. At the mega factory, bulk shipments of coconuts arrive for processing. The coconuts are transported by conveyor belt to the initial processing area. Here, powerful machinery begins the transformation into soap ingredients. To make Lux soap, crude coconut oil is pumped from storage tanks into an industrial filtration system. Here, impurities are trapped, transforming the cloudy oil into a refined state, ready for soap production. In this mega factory, coconut oil from these tanks reacts with caustic soda inside these reactors. The mixture is agitated, causing it to bubble and transform as it heats up. First step into Lux soap. In this mega factory, coconut oil is metered into reactors for the first step in making Lux soap. The oil flows into the saponification reactors, where it begins its transformation. Coconut oil is refined through degumming and neutralization. First, the oil is heated and mixed to remove impurities. Then, a caustic solution neutralizes free fatty acids. This creates the base for Lux soap. Coconut meat is washed in stainless steel drums to remove impurities. Water jets in rotation clean the meat thoroughly. This crucial step prepares it for the soap making process. Deodorization towers remove unwanted odors from coconut oil. Steam strips the oil of impurities, ensuring a clean, neutral base for Lux soap. This stage is crucial for producing high-quality, odorless soap. Continuous agitation ensures uniform saponification in the making of Lux soap from coconuts. This process transforms the coconut oil into a uniform soap base. The result is a consistent, high-quality product. In the first stage of making soap, a caustic soda solution is prepared for saponification. The solution is mixed in large tanks, with workers monitor or react with coconut oil to create soap. Precision valves open to control the flow. Heated pipelines carry the coconut oil. Automated panels operate the entire system. In the Lux soap mega factory, vacuum drying systems reduce moisture in soap noodles. This process ensures the noodles are perfectly dry for the next stage. The dried noodles are now ready for further processing. In the Lux soap mega factory, vacuum drying systems reduce moisture in soap noodles. This process ensures the noodles are perfectly dry for the next stage. The dried noodles are now ready for further processing. In the bleaching units, raw coconut oil is mixed with clay to remove impurities. The oil is heated and agitated, becoming lighter and purer. This purified oil is now ready for the next stage in soap production. Refined coconut oil is stored in temperature-controlled tanks for how Lux soap is made from coconuts mega factory process. Soap noodles enter the Sigma mixers, beginning the blending process. Inside, the Z-blades rotate, churning the material into transfer noodle to a base for high-quality soap. In these separation tanks, the viscous mixture from coconut oil begins to separate. Glycerin settles to the bottom while the soap base rises. The glycerin is then drained off, purifying the Lux soap base. After mixing, the soap mass enters the plotters. Here, powerful augers compress and refine it into a uniform texture. The dense, pliable soap mass is now ready for shaping. Fragrance compounds are prepared for blending in how Lux soap is made from coconuts. The automated system dispenses precise amounts into the mixing vat. A stirrer ensures a perfect, uniform blend. Fragrance compounds are prepared for blending in how Lux soap is made from coconuts. The automated system dispenses precise amounts into the mixing vat. A stirrer ensures a perfect, uniform blend. From coconuts to Lux soap, the factory process generates effluents. These are sent to treatment units for purification. In the aeration tank, air is mixed in to break down waste. Finally, solids settle, leaving clean water. From coconuts to soap, raw materials enter the production line. Automated conveyors transfer the forming Lux bars at a steady pace. At inspection lines, sensors scan each bar for quality and consistency.
In this mega factory, Lux soap is made from coconuts. Robotic arms precisely align the bars. This automation ensures consistent quality.
In this mega factory, Lux soap is crafted from coconut oil. Robotic palletizers precisely stack cartons for global distribution. This automation ensures quality and scale in every bar. Steam boilers provide the heat energy for transforming coconuts into Lux soap in this mega factory. The process begins as coconuts are along conveyor belts to be extractively mixed and molded into the final soap bars.
In this mega factory, Lux soap is made from coconuts. Robotic arms precisely align the bars. This automation ensures consistent quality.
Welcome to the mega factory where Lux soap is made from coconuts. Here, hydraulic presses stamp the branding onto each bar. The precision of this process ensures quality in every bar. Triple roller mills refine texture in Lux soap production from coconuts. This creates a luxurious, uniform consistency for Lux soap. The refined paste is now ready for further processing. The Lux soap bars, made from coconut oil, enter the primary wrapping machines. Here, automated arms fold and seal the packaging with precision. This seamless process ensures consistent quality for every bar.
How Lux soap is made from coconuts. Mega factory process. Scanners track each step, from oil extraction to this ensures quality and efficiency in every bar of Lux soap.
In a mega factory, Lux soap is made from coconuts. Continuous extrusion forms long soap billets. These are then cooled and cut to size. In the Lux factory, pallets of coconut ingredients and soap are stretch wrapped for transport. Stretch wrapping process secures the loads, preventing damage during shipping. In the Lux factory, pallets of coconut ingredients and soap are stretch wrapped for transport. This automated process secures the loads, preventing damage during shipping. Welcome to the mega factory where Lux soap is made from coconuts. Here, hydraulic presses stamp the branding onto each bar. The precision of this process ensures quality in every bar. In the Lux factory, long soap billets made from coconut oil are fed into automated cutting machines. High-speed blades slice the material, and this ensures every bar meets Israc's strict quality and size standards.
All right, let's check these mixers. They blend the coconut oil base. Mixer 3 is at 120 RPM. Good, let's verify the agitator. It's rotating smoothly, no unusual vibrations.
Environmental control systems regulate production areas and how Lux soap is made from coconuts. These systems ensure sterile conditions and precise parameters for transforming raw coconuts into high-quality soap. Fragrance and additives blend into the soap base in how Lux soap is made from coconuts. The mixture is thoroughly blended by an industrial agitator. The result is a smooth, uniform Lux soap mixture ready for the next stage. In the Lux factory, moisture stabilization chambers regulate the hardness of the soap. Precise temperature and humidity cycles ensure a consistently firm, high-quality bar. As the Lux soap bars move through the factory, they pass through metal detectors. These scanners check each bar for impurities, ensuring every product is safe and pure the high quality of Lux soap. The Lux soap bars, fresh from molding, move through these cooling tunnels to solidify. A steady conveyor belt carries them along, while cold air ensures they harden perfectly. After saponification, the soap mass is extruded into noodles. These are then fed onto a steel belt chiller. Here, the hot noodles are cooled and begin to solidify. This forms ribbons that move along the belt for further processing. After saponification, the soap mass is extruded into noodles. These are then fed onto a steel belt chiller. Here, the hot noodles are cooled and begin to solidify. This forms ribbons that move along the belt for further processing. In the Lux factory, cartons are automatically sealed with precision. This efficient process ensures quality packaging, from coconuts to finished soap. During the soap-making process, a valuable byproduct is recovered. This clear liquid is glycerin, collected here for purification. It's a versatile compound used in many personal care products. In the vacuum plotter, trapped air is methodically removed, ensuring a uniform, high-quality soap. This critical step refines the texture, transforming the mixture into smooth, air-free bars. The Lux soap bars, made from coconut oil, move along the conveyor belt. Here, the printed film is applied and sealed around each bar. The sealed bars then move on to final packaging. Wrapped bars are grouped into cartons during the manufacturing process. This automated step ensures efficient packaging for distribution. Factory workers oversee the system for quality and precision. How Lux soap is made from coconuts. Scanned and tracked craft systems, from oil extraction to final product. This ensures quality and efficiency in every bar of Lux soap. In the packaging area, cartons are labeled with batch numbers for traceability.
This batch is Cocoa 253. We ensure every carton is correctly marked.
This step is crucial for quality control in the Lux soap production.
All systems green. Temperature holding steady at 180 for oil extraction. Pressure at 5.2 bar. Monitoring for consistency. Alert, stage 3 parameters optimal, ready for next phase.
Now, adding the color, we need exactly 150 grams for this batch. Perfect. Now it goes into the mixer. Now, adding the color, we need exactly 150 grams for this batch. Perfect. Now it goes into the mixer.
Lux soap packaging travels along the line, where a date coding machine marks each one. The inkjet print head applies batch numbers and expiration dates with precision. This automated step ensures every bar is correctly labeled for the consumer.
We're monitoring pH to ensure the soap base is perfectly balanced. The probe reading is stable at 7.2 now. Good, that's within spec. Let's record it.
Safety audits ensure compliance in making Lux soap from coconuts. Coconut oil is mixed with lye in large vats.
We audit quality at every
Conveyor systems move the formed soap bars. Audits verify compliance.
All right, initiating calibration on the weighing system.
Ready. Placing the first standard weight.
Confirmed, reading 10 kilograms, next stable. Final weight, 50 kilograms. Perfect.
All clear. We're good to go.
This mega factory turns coconuts into Lux soap with incredible efficiency. Coconut husks are processed into pure oil, the base message at high speed. This process delivers quality soap to millions daily. Okay, processing the shipping docs for the Lux coconut soap order. Scanning now. Looks good to go. From these raw materials, the mega factory process extracts the pure ingredients for Lux soap.
This mega factory transforms coconuts into Lux soap. Microbiological testing ensures hygiene standards. The result? Pure, safe soap bars.
In the final stage, boxes of Howlux soap arrive via conveyor. A worker stacks them securely onto pallets. The pallets are wrapped and labeled for shipment. A forklift then moves them to the loading dock. Batch traceability records are verified at every step in making Lux soap from coconuts. Raw coconut materials are traced from intake to extraction. The liquid soap mixture is monitored in real time.
This mega factory transforms coconuts into Lux soap. Microbiological testing ensures hygiene standards. The result? Pure, safe soap bars.
At the mega factory, visual inspection teams check the surface finish of every Lux soap bar.
Surface is smooth, no imperfections.
Confirmed, this batch meets the standard.
This ensures the premium quality of every bar. This mega factory transforms coconuts into Lux soap. Coconut oil is blended with other ingredients. The mixture is molded, cut, and packaged. Drop tests examine packaging durability. From nature to your home. From tropical coconuts to retail shelves, this is the journey of Lux soap. Coconuts are crushed to extract the oil, which is mixed and heated. The mixture is cooled, cut into bars, and packaged into cartons, ready for stores worldwide. Weight verification systems confirm bar consistency in the making of Lux soap from coconuts. Each bar is precisely weighed to ensure uniform quality. This step guarantees every Lux bar meets strict standards. Fragrance stability tests are essential to the process. Here, fresh coconut shells begin their transformation. In the lab, samples undergo rigorous stability testing. This ensures the scent remains perfect.
Let's check the final batch.
Physical inspection is clear, weight is within tolerance.
Excellent. pH and dissolution, all parameters are perfect, approving this batch.
In Lux's process, foam performance tests evaluate lather quality. Shaking generates a rich, creamy foam from the coconut base. The foam pours thickly, showing excellent stability and cleaning power. There's a luxurious lather in every bar.
Let's test these coconut soap samples for pH.
Inserting the probe now, reading 7.2.
That's ideal. Now confirm with the strips.
Confirmed. All samples are balanced.
Scanning outgoing goods. Record updated. Next one.
Final brand verification checks are now underway. Lux soap bars are scanned for shape, weight, and packaging integrity. All checks are complete. The process is verified. At the Mega Factory, the operational cycle for Lux soap from coconuts concludes as bars are packaged. This integrated line shows the efficiency of modern manufacturing from raw material to finished product. The certifications for the Lux soap process look complete.
Yes, ISO 9001 and GMP certified. Let's verify the process. The flowchart matches.
Agreed.
All steps are compliant. We can approve.
Perfect.